You have options when it comes to choosing how to grow your own food at home. Here are 5 reasons why you should be growing with Lettuce Grow. 1. The primary reason people fail when they decide to grow their own food is because they can't get the seeds to germinate. When you start with a seed, a pod, or a cube, as all other systems do, you only have a 70% chance of success, and you might need an entirely different system to germinate the seed in addition to the one you'll be growing them in. Lettuce Grow is the only growing system that starts you off with live 2 to 3 week old seedlings, removing the most difficult part of the process, germination, and ensuring a successful harvest 100% of the time. It also means you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor twice as fast as any other growing method. 2. Safety. When you grow in the ground, you have less control over contaminants that will make their way into your food from the soil. When you grow hydroponically, you have more control, but it's critical that you understand the materials used. All of our farm stands are made in the USA with materials that are FDA food grade, BPA-free, and California Prop 65 compliant, the strictest standard you can meet and the most relevant when it comes to your and your family's health, meaning you will have 0 risk of consuming dangerous chemicals. We stand behind the quality of our products and warranty the farm stand for 3 years. 3. We offer total flexibility. Our farm stand's modular design means you can start small and go bigger in size anytime by adding additional growing levels. You can even start outdoors and then bring your farm stand inside during snowy or freezing cold months. Taking up only 4 square feet of space, you'll easily grow between 18 to 36 plants no matter your living space or climate. 4. We've designed our system with sustainability at top of mind. You'll massively reduce your environmental footprint without having to think about it. The farm stand is made from upcycled materials and recirculates water and nutrients like a fountain, using 98% less water than traditional growing methods. To date, our growers have saved over 170 million gallons of water. 5. Our community and expert support. When you order a farm stand, that's just the beginning. Once you join our active community of growers, you are never on your own. We're the only company who offers live support with a one-on-one plant guide to answer questions and give personalized advice whenever and however you need it. We are so confident you will succeed and proud of our 1% return rate that you have a full season to grow with us before committing to becoming a lifelong grower, which I'm sure you will. When it comes to successfully and effortlessly growing fresh, delicious, sustainable produce at home, not all systems are the same.